Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best gadgets and accessories to enhance your tech experience. Today, we're diving into the best iPhone blue light blocking screen protector on the market. The JESOHO blue light screen protector designed for the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 14. If you're tired of eye strain from screen time and want to keep your phone safe from scratches and damage, stick around as we break down everything this product has to offer. The JESOHO blue light screen protector is specifically crafted for the 6.1-inch models of the iPhone 13 series. With its advanced blue light filtering technology, this screen protector blocks an impressive 97.1% of harmful blue light emitted from your device. This not only helps reduce eye fatigue but also protects your vision during those long hours spent scrolling or streaming. Made from high-hardness tempered glass, it promises durability and resistance to scratches, ensuring that your screen stays crystal clear. One of the standout features of the JESOHO protector is its easy installation process. The package comes with an installation kit, allowing you to apply the screen protector without the hassle of bubbles or misalignment. Simply clean your iPhone screen, follow the included instructions, and you're good to go. The design is case-friendly, meaning it fits seamlessly with most phone cases, providing comprehensive protection without any unsightly overlaps. This screen protector is not just tough, it's also designed with your everyday use in mind. The nano coating on the surface repels oil and sweat, making it resistant to fingerprints and smudges. This feature keeps your screen looking pristine and enhances its sensitivity, ensuring a smooth experience when tapping and swiping. You'll appreciate the 99.99% high-definition transparency that maintains your display's vibrant colors and sharp details, giving you an uninterrupted viewing experience. Users have reported a noticeable decrease in eye strain after using this protector, especially during extended screen time. Many appreciate the peace of mind that comes with knowing their screens are safeguarded from scratches and potential shattering. Plus, the easy installation means that even if you're not tech-savvy, you can set it up with minimal fuss. At a price point of just $9.98 for a 2-pack, the JESOHO blue light screen protector offers incredible value. Considering the protection and eye care it provides, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind and comfort you receive. So, if you're looking to protect your iPhone screen while safeguarding your eyes from the harmful effects of blue light, the JESOHO blue light screen protector is definitely worth considering. With its robust design, easy installation, and excellent protective features, it stands out as one of the best options available today. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. We'll see you in the next video.